Now that our truss is set up in terms of the stress analysis, we have our fixed constraints set for our bearing points, and we have our load applied in the correct place to present force down on the entire top part of the cord. And we are all set. So we are ready to hit simulate. So if you hit simulate, it just wants to confirm that you're ready to run it. Click run, and you'll see the progress go up. Okay. And basically, it's going to display where the stresses are. And right away, you can see there's a lot of stress down here on the bearing area, actually just to the left of the bearing area, and the same on the opposite side over here, and a lot of compression happening on the top cord. You can also see that the bottom cord will be in great tension. And essentially, if this were made of plastic and you put this kind of stress on it, that's the kind of behavior you would see in the simulation. You can also animate this. If you go to animate, and let's see, we'll change the steps to 30 just because that'll slow down the animation a little bit, and click the little run button. You can see exactly how it's going to behave in kind of like slow motion. That's the stress analysis. If you want to see the displacement, double click the icon next to displacement. Ooh, I have to stop this first. Okay, double click displacement, and you'll see the section that basically moves the most. That's what we're talking about with displacement. And again, you can do an animation of that. Click play and animate it, and you're good to go. Okay, so we're going to double click the stress and go back here. Now, if I want to print this out, probably the best way to do this is to go to File, Export, and choose PDF. Okay, and for this, you probably just go ahead and put truss, stress, and change the name to it and hit save. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a displacement PDF as well. So double click on displacement, file, export, PDF, and I'm going to type in displacement and hit save. And now I can go back into those folders, that shared folder, and I can print those PDFs and attach it to my work. So it's kind of a cool way of looking at things. It gives you an idea of what is going to happen when you put forces and stresses on this. So it may give you an idea of what the truss is going through when it's under load. So I'm going to hit finish analysis, and I'm all done. It takes me right back to my model, and I'm ready to move on to my next project. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope you find it useful.